need any help or support with either life science content in grade 10, 11, or 12, or the biological content or biology topics in agricultural sciences, well, there are a couple of things you can do. Number one, ask a teacher with over 20 years experience in science teaching, who created the Life Science Study Group here on Facebook. Post your question here in the timeline, and I will answer your question, but it might just warrant a video segment on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome to a video by the Opinionated Science Educator. I would first like to say welcome to the Life Science Study Group. I created the group a number of years ago because I believe that social media is a good platform that students can ask each other for help and can ask me for help. I thought I would introduce myself to you so you can see who I am, and please feel free to post your questions here on the group, and who knows, your question could be answered on a YouTube video. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the YouTube channel. There is this Life Science Study Group, which I started quite a long time ago, which is up here on Facebook. It has over 126,000 members, and I do try and answer particular questions if they get posted here, and the forum also allows other students to help students. But I will be coming to this group to see if there are questions that possibly would warrant me creating a support video, and I will create a support video. So let's just go through some of the questions here. So here's a question asking for help with definitions between fertilization and pollination. Now, fertilization is the fusion of a male gamete or sex cell and a female gamete or sex cell. Now, pollination is when the pollen, which is actually the male plant or the male gametophyte in seed-bearing plants, is deposited onto the female part of the flower. And from there, the pollen grain will germinate, go down the style and to the ovaries, where it will release the male gamete, which then fuses with one of the egg cells or ovum. So fertilization is the process of the male gamete fusing with the female gamete, whereas pollination is the transfer of the pollen, which contains the male gametophyte, to the part of the flower or plant that contains the female gametophyte. And pollination is only needed in the seed-bearing plants, which are the angiosperms and the gymnosperms, so the flower-bearing plants and the cone-bearing plants. Okay, so as you can see, question is answered here, and those answers are quite suitable. So as you can see, the group is open to allow students to comment on other students' questions and to help each other. But if I see a post here that I think warrants me developing a support video, I will definitely do so, and I will post it on this study group. Okay, so here's a question now about hormones in the female reproductive cycle. So if you have a question that you really need answering, you can post it here, and I will do my best either to answer it here directly on the site, or based on the types of problems that I see here, for example, the definitions, I will give you a study tip on how you can learn definitions and what you can do to make sure you learn definitions. So I'm looking forward to answering your questions, and until next time, this is the Opinionated Science Educator signing out.